Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn REST API project structure creation. How to get a minimum requirement resources to implement REST API. This is a very important lecture. Don't miss this one. So once we have installed Composer in previous lecture, now we are going to using here. For this, very simply, I'm going to having our installation of exam folder inside htdocs. I'm going to creating here my new project, which is a folder name called php underscore auth authentication module underscore API. Very simple project folder I have created here. So when you open this folder under htdocs, you will be seen empty. Nothing is here. So what I'm trying to doing now, just I'm going to command prompt. Just check it. I'm implementing here to get PHP JSON web token. I'm going to getting and in downloading over here. So how to create for login and installation files are there, no? So these things we are going to install over here. Let's see. To getting this like a built-in JW like a JSON web token authentication and built-in methods and built-in ready-made resources. How we will get using Composer? We can get it very easy. Just see, I'll issue in a command. Yes, go to the command prompt. Yeah, you may type like a command or cmd. Go over here in command prompt, and here you need to set your path in. Go back cd dot dot space dot dot. You are going to be back to one directory, and now cd xampp. Yes, now cd htdocs. Now cd what is my folder name? It is like php underscore auth underscore API. So it here. Now we are in the folder of the path of XAMPP htdocs slash php underscore auth underscore API. Our project folder which we have created to implementing for next section modules all. So here I want to get dependencies which ready-madely available. We need not to write each and every line for this. This is a web token compiler to verifying. These are the ready-made tools are available to implement using these built-in tools. So let's see here using Composer, how we will get Composer COMPOSER require 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 space Firebase slash, and you can put your name. I'm putting like a JWT JSON web token. Hit enter. Hit enter. So let's see. Cannot find the package Firebase JWT. Okay. So just go with PHP hyphen JWT. Yes. PHP hyphen JWT. Yes. Yes. It find PHP Java like a JSON web token. It's a find and it's a download. Wow, successfully. You are able to seeing this message means it is installed successfully. Now let's go over here. Let's see in our project directory in under htdocs php auth underscore API. So here you may see the vendor. Yeah, vendor, autoload, Firebase, PHP JWT. See all these things, Composer, all these things are available here. So you are getting all the information which we require to work with the PHP application basic to implement JW like Java using JSON web token authenticated RESTful services. All right. Now, next lecture onwards, we are going to setting where the files are required and any requirements to segregate the files and what the requirements of our class files we are going to create one by one. Lecture wise we segregated. Very clearly, we learn the things. So in this lecture, create a project directory and get the resources which we need to work with the Firebase, like to hitting and web services and calling the REST APIs. We need the basic resources. So we are getting like we are get using here like a composer require space Firebase oblique PHP hyphen JWT. This method and this module we are getting from the web free. Okay, you need not to pay for it. It will download and extract in your path where you are given. So directly I am given in this PHP API like a auth API path we are getting here. So you may find here vendor and all. Next lecture onwards, we'll work on these concepts. Catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.